So what's going on with AMC, everybody? As we know, we got a really good revenue, 1.6 billion. We got two rating right now is being given as neutral. So this is good because as we from the technical as well, we see that the price is kind of neutral and sideways trading since the 30% jump that we did after the earnings. However, in GameStop is the opposite. We have a pullback after the earnings and coming back at the same price as the earning around the 20. One of the reason because GameStop built almost 10% for eBay stake after rejected bid. So after the rejection, yes, we have pullback for GameStop. So this is the fundamental play for GameStop. It pulled back because of this news. However, the good thing is we're still holding over the 2087, the technical level where the market maker underwell bought, of course, GameStop. So before we go further, guys, remember our content always for educational purposes only. And remember, we always go live 15 minutes before the market open each day to discuss the market. And before that, and our Discord and Patreon where we discuss mini stocks that did a huge jump. Like last week, we got a few stocks that jumped big time, like OMH jumped from the 166 and hit the $4 and did double the price after that. We call those stocks unicorns. So every day we have an opportunity. So if you missed OMH, we're gonna catch another one like those one that doubled in the price in a few minutes or a few hours every day on our Discord and Patreon updates. For now, we have to discuss AMC, guys, and GameStop because AMC is still consolidating over the $2, which is a significant, important level to hold and go toward the $3 after the major rejection zone around the $3 back before the news for the offering price. And the price actually went down after that big time, almost 50%. And then the earnings saved us because we have really good revenue for this time and the price jumped 30% and now it's consolidating sideways. So the game plan for the next week before the end of this month of July, we need to see the $3. So this is the main question, guys. Let me know in the comment section below. Are we going to have the $3 before the end of this month, or this will be the game plan for the next month? For now, we don't know for sure because the confirming squeeze toward the $3 is breaking the $2.55, which we tested after the earnings. We pulled back, we consolidating. The good thing is we have double bottom right now around $2.12, and we have 2 wicks trying to go toward the 250, but we didn't around this level. First around the 21st of July, the second around the 22nd of July, and then the 24th of July. You see, so the buyers trying to test the $2.55 in 3 days or almost 1 week since the 21st of July. So now for the next week, we need to have a test at least for the $2.55 this time, a hold to the $2.12 and break this level to go toward the $3. And this is should be a jump of at least 30%. We already did 30% from here after the earnings. We need to have another 30% to squeeze this time over the $3 psychological level. For GameStop, on the other hand, the volume is pulling back down, as we said, because of the news of the rejection of bid for eBay. However, we got still the building almost 10% stake on eBay right now. The price pulled back around the 2087. So technically, we jumped for after the earnings almost 9%. Then we pulled back again, almost 9%. So we kind of in the undecision phase for GameStop because we pump and we dump down. However, we're still holding the 2087. And the other main reason is because the whole market is down, guys. As we can see here, AOI, Intel, Bloom Energy pulling back almost 10% and over 10% the last few days or last week. So we got a lot of shorts entering the market. And of course, we have undecision and pullback and a bit of weakness for the bulls in the end of this month. So this is good that we see that AMC and GameStop is kind of just neutral or almost 1% down for a GameStop. This is good because if you compare it for the blue chip company and the whole market, this is not a big deal of a pullback. It means we got a just weaker market, and of course a bit of cautious from the investors. And this is might change if we have a pullback or a reversal next week. If we have a really good reversal, because we got a nice discount price for a lot of stocks, we might have a reversal next week. If we have a really good reversal and green market next week, we might have a reversal for GameStop and holding at least over the 2087. And if we got so good news before the earnings, because right now we got 45 days before the earnings, we have to test the 2368 for this time. For AMC, as we said, it looked good. As we see, we got three buyers back on March, at the end of March. After that, we have the mid of May, and finally on the beginning of July. So we got three bounce from this white line, and every time we test this white line, we have another buying pressure up. So this is show us that we are consolidating up, and of course we're still holding the bullish momentum reversal since this dip uh, back in April. Because if you see back here in October last year, we are in the bearish channel down, as you can see here. The channel switch from bearish to bullish here on the end of March. So technically right now on the bullish side from the bottom, we're not in the bullish side in the big picture yet, until we go over the $5.55. My favorite price target for this year to go to, if AMC go on the right side, hold the fundamental level, have a good earnings next time for the Q3, and continue to hold over the $2. This will be a good trajectory for AMC to recover toward the $5.55, and of course for the mega squeeze for the coming months and next year. Of course, let me know, guys, are we gonna have the $5.55 before the end of this year, or at least the $3 before the end of this month, or not? Let me know, comment section below. In the meantime, of course, see you all back by tomorrow, 15 minutes before the market open, to discuss AMC and GameStop and other stocks before the market open. And of course, have a nice weekend, and see you all back by tomorrow. Thank you for watching, everybody.